ChatGPT came out 2 years ago, and a lot of smart people told me that it is gonna take my job in a few weeks. But 2 years later, I unfortunately still work as a developer, even though I really want to mock some people, but that is not the point of today's video. Today, I want to talk about this obsession that people have over people losing their jobs due to automation. Back in 2015, I lived in Chicago and I drove taxi there, and I wanted to get into the trucking industry. But a lot of people were telling me that self-driving trucks are here. They're not on the way, they are here in 2015. And it is only a matter of few months, at maximum 2 years. And every truck in America is going to be self-driving. And they told me that with the same conviction that we see from these AI grifters. It is always a few months out. Those few months somehow never come. Anyway, I got my Class A CDL license in October 2015 and I started driving trucks. And not even a year in, there was this startup called Auto, that is OTO. They actually turned a truck into a self-driving truck, and they did one experiment, one trial. Everyone was talking about it. Everyone said that this is it. This is the future, and they're gonna put us all out of business. And I remember how other truck drivers, and owner operators, how the whole industry reacted to that. Let me show you some of the headlines. This one says Uber's self-driving trucks make it is first delivery, and it is the news, right? It just broke the news in October 2016, and there's another one reporting on it, and another one reporting on it, and the whole trucking industry just ran away with this one headline. And I do remember a lot of people were asking me that, is getting into trucking worth it? Should I be going back to school? Should I be doing something else? Because I feel like this whole trucking thing is dead and you guys are all gonna be homeless, jobless in a few weeks. And the funny thing is, Auto was acquired by Uber, and they say they're gonna have a whole self-driving fleet of trucks on the road by early 2017. Oh man. Now that self-driving trucks are here, what will happen to truck drivers? They were asking this back in November 2016. This article also does the same thing, and they do actually address replacing jobs. And I'm going to link all of these articles down below so you can take a look at them. A lot of people are going to say this time is different, but is it ever different? I have seen enough hype cycles to know that it is never different this time. It is always the same thing. A new technology comes out, people overreact, people over-exaggerate its capabilities, the headlines run with it. Your average Joe who doesn't know anything about the industry somehow has an opinion on it and thinks that everyone in the industry is about to be replaced by this new technology, which never comes. It never happens. All I'm going to say is 10 years after I got my Class A CDL license, there is not a single self-driving truck on the road. And the whole hype cycle that you are seeing today with AI, we have experienced that in the trucking industry. So I don't know. Maybe I am doing these false equivalents. I'm not even sure. I think time will tell. Before I let you go, I want to show you this amazing tweet from the one and only, the myth, the legend, the Primogen. He said this, he posted this in April of this year. We are 11 months into 6 months away from AI stealing your programming jobs. We are 13 months into 6 months away from AI stealing your programming job. Another one. We're 15 months into the 6 months away from AI stealing. Dude, he does it every time he posts this. It is glorious. Let me put a like on this one. It is funny. And we are 18 months. We are a year and a half into the whole AI stealing your job. Oh man, this is gold. This is gold. So yeah, I don't know. That is all I wanted to. I guess that is all I have for today. Anyway, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.